In today's video, I'll show you how to use DSers with eBay. First, open your browser and go to the DSers website. Log in with your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. On the platform selection page, click eBay. A new tab will open taking you to eBay. Click Install and then Authorize to connect DSers with your eBay account. Once connected, you can search for products from suppliers like AliExpress and import them into your DSers import list. Customize product details such as titles, descriptions, variants, and pricing to match your brand. When customers place orders on eBay, DSers automatically syncs them to your open orders list. You can track order progress and delivery status, keeping your store organized and running smoothly. And that's it. You're ready to manage and automate your eBay store with DSers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.